Welcome to the channel. It is, let's see here, April 1st, right? Yeah, April 1st. I'm out in my shed doing my oil change on my, bike, on my Road Glide. I'm not going to show you the oil change. I've done a video on that before. But I do want to show you a product that I purchased for the bike for the primary cover. The last time I did an oil change, I almost stripped out one of the bolts, I think. That I slipped on it. It's still good. I was able to get it in there, but I needed to change out some bolts. So, I'll show you. These bolts here, primary cover, okay? There's 5 of them. Okay. I think it's this one here that I slipped off on. But anyway, they're just regular silver and stuff, all right? I looked on, the website for Harley Davidson, and the bolts were pretty expensive if I wanted black ones. I wanted black ones, all right? So I went online and I ordered these from their MoKitDora, all right? I guess, whatever. We'll see how good they are. They got, mixed reviews, so gonna have to be careful. You got to be careful with these anyways. I guess, what is it, 84 inch-pounds maybe? I don't even use the damn torque wrench to put these on. I just snug them up real good. Not real good, I mean, I just snug them up lightly. So, these are the bolts I got, all right? They're black. I'll show you when I take them out. I don't know if you can see, but black, and they got new black washers, all right? Mixed reviews on them, I guess. We'll see how they are. Some people said they've snapped them off as soon as they put them in there, but we'll see. I'll show you, okay? I already drained the primary, so I got to put some new oil in. So we'll take this out, and I got to change the gasket on it anyway, too, so. All right, so I'll set the camera down and I'll take out one of the bolts. All right, I'll take out this top one here just to see. And T27 torque to take these out. Okay. I'm just going to take one of these out. I just want to see if these are the same. Hopefully they're the same. Okay, that's what it looks like. There you go. I don't know. Let me see here. They got a fatter head on them. Oop. They got a fatter head on them. I don't know if they're the same. Well, we'll see. Let me see here. They do go in. I do know that they're a different torque, though. These are 25, so T25. Well, we'll try them. Okay. I got them all set up here. Take the rest of these out. Let's put these on. And you should tighten these up in a star pattern. But I'm only doing just... Okay. Okay. So. Alright. Just tighten these up a little bit. Okay. Just making sure. There. All right. What do you think? Nice and black. I think they look good. I'll let you know after I start up the bike and see if there's any leaks and see how they work out. All right. Till I get the bike started. All right. Bike's running. I don't see no leaks yet. Looks good. What do you think? I like the looks of them better. Black compared to, you know, all these other ones here. End of this video. You got to be careful with those derby covers bolts, because you can, you know, spin the torques real easy. These are a lot cheaper than the OEM ones that you can get, but you're gonna have to be careful. There's mixed reviews. Some people broke them right off, broke the heads right off. So we'll see if they last or not. Hopefully I don't. I just snugged them up. I didn't torque them. I don't torque them anyway. I just snug them up anyway because, you know. Anyway, I'll let you know if there's any issues with them. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. You know, I can see you may not be because, you know, there are some reviews that, you know, the heads come off, but I'll leave the link anyway. If you wanna, it's up to you. Anyway, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Am I risking it with these bolts? Yeah. If you want to watch some more of my videos, check out this video right here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.